So, getting into the Porsche, the way you started, if you didn't know how you start the Porsche, is from this, like all the steering wheel, everything is just on the right, on the left actually. So it's good for us left-handed people. So, yeah.
You've like driven a stick shift before, right?
What is a stick shift? I'm just kidding, yeah, of course.
Oh my God.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The reason that I understand that the key goes in the left-hand side is for racing. Back during the day, it was like a Porsche thing that when they would start a race, the racers were outside the car standing on a line, and they would have to run to the cars, get in the cars, and start them and drive off. And it was quicker for the driver to put the key in the left-hand side than the right-hand side.
I heard it saved like a second or something. That's such a German thing. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh gosh, I know that's like slow speeds. It just feels good.
Yeah, it's a fast car slow thing.
Yeah. That's, I think, one of the reasons of these cars. Like, you don't have to drive them at like 500 miles per hour, like, for you to feel that it's something special.
Yeah, this car on a curvy road at 50 miles an hour is a fun car to drive. I'm gonna go
so
left.
Right. Left.
Yeah, thanks.
So the red line for this car is about 7,000 RPM or 7,100 RPM. And I'm just trying to imagine, I don't want to take it I don't want to take it high because, again, it's literally raining, or it just rained around here, so the roads are kind of slick. But if the thing can sound this good at, let's go to second gear, and nope, that's fourth. Like, just listen to that. Like, this is at like 3,000 RPM at second gear, and it just sounds good. Oh.
Isn't this the perfect Porsche road right here?
You said Porsche road. I was like, oh, we're in Persia. But yeah, this is awesome. Just look at these roads. Oh my gosh. It like literally, you could even stay. I also kind of like the gearing as well, because you could stay in second like all day in these roads.
Yeah, first is really short, but it's got a long second. Yeah, I think second's nice. Probably good to probably 60.
Yeah. Because in my 370, I usually stay in like, on these roads, I'll probably go to third. But like here, it's really, I like the gearing of this car. And the shifter also smooth, I said smooth, feels really smooth. That's the word I was looking for. What's that click? Like it's just really cool. You can hear like a click when you change gear. It's like a hold on, let me see if I hear it.
How'd it go again?
It's like I mean, that's what it just feels like. And it's just like a mechanical sound, and I just really like that. Like, again, with the new Porsches, the new, what's it called, with the GT3 RSs and the new generation Porsches and all that, like, you don't really, they're all electronic steering wheels, right, James?
Yes.
Yeah, and so you don't really get like that mechanical feel. This just feels mechanical.
You turn.
Oh, the steering feels so good. Did you hear it?
No.
Okay, just listen. When I change to third, listen. You didn't hear it?
No. Where are you hearing it?
It's around the clutch. No, it's like a clutch sound or whatever. But I don't know. It sounds good. I'm just weird. I just love the sound.
Look at this curve.
Yeah.
I think the sound. I just, for the car that it is, especially with the top down, when you get on it, it just has a great burble. And I don't know what the torque is on this car, but it sure seems like it pulls, I guess because it's naturally aspirated, it just has great torque all the way through the range.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it really pulls. I'm sorry, I was just listening to the golden sound. All right, okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it sounds so good.
It's every time I'll be sitting around the house and it's like, maybe we need some bread. And this is my go get bread car.
Yeah, we went to get bagels this morning. I mean, so good. Ooh, where can I get shots of this thing?
Get him.
No, I don't want to kill a bird. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this gold video, and thank you so much to James for letting me drive this piece of gold. And yeah, so and if you haven't checked out his channel, check it out. It is called the Golden, not really the Golden. It's called the Full Octane Garage. So check out their Golden channel, him and Kurt. And yeah, we will catch you guys on the next Golden Drive.
I'm thinking like pull it down here, turn it around, kind of 45 it, facing out with these trees the way it is, like right here, and then go back. Yeah. Look. Oh, this is so, we so got that.
I did it on purpose. You know, I wanted to just. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. I stole. Okay.